Welcome to Vishveshwarya National Institute of Technology, one of the premier institute of excellence in teaching and research with the mission of developing global leaders with passion and dedication in engineering, technology and allied disciplines. Vishveshwarya National Institute of Technology, Nagpur, which is popularly known as VNIT, is one of the 31 NITs in the country. It had a humble beginning as a government engineering college in the premises of Government Polytechnic Nagpur in 1960, with just 3 departments. Gradually, it grew into the Vishveshwarya Regional College of Engineering and moved to the present campus with an area of 214 acres in 1965. It was then the only premier engineering institute in central India. In August 2007, Vishveshwarya National Institute of Technology, along with other NITs, was declared as the Institute of National Importance by the Act of Parliament. Vishveshwarya National Institute of Technology is named after great statesman, planner and engineer of modern India, Bharat Ratna, Sir Moksha Gundam Vishveshwarya. VNIT is situated at heart of Nagpur city. The sprawling, lush green campus of VNIT will surely allure you with its methodical patches of greenery. VNIT has 14 academic departments offering 8 BTech programs and a BArch program at undergraduate level and 19 MTech program, along with 3 MSc programs in applied sciences. All departments also offer full-time doctoral program. More than 5,000 students stay on campus. VNIT is having state-of-art laboratories, well-equipped classrooms, faculty and student accommodation, library and information center, sports facility and health center, which makes it desired destination for education for many aspiring students. IV Lab, which is a robotic lab, students of VNIT have developed a robot named Sahayak to help fight during coronavirus pandemic. Sahayak robot can use by hospital staff to deliver food, packets and medicine to the COVID patients. Center of Excellence titled Industry 4.0 and Digitalization has been established at VNIT in collaboration with Siemens for generating leaders in automation technology for the students to develop industrial skills and competency which will aid them in becoming professionals. Recently, VNIT has commissioned the state-of-art academic building with G+6 floor housing more than 100 faculties and 150 PhD scholars. Recently inaugurated classroom complex has 9 virtual classrooms. Also, girls and boys hostel with 1000 capacity each having separate food court and multi-activity complex is commissioned. 1 megawatt solar plant is installed to reduce carbon footprints. We are celebrating year 2020 as Diamond Jubilee of VNIT as its 60th year of imparting quality technical education. We celebrated Diamond Jubilee inauguration function on 19 January 2020, which was graced by Honorable Shri Nitin Ji Gadkari, Minister for Road Transport and Highway, and the Minister of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises, Government of India. The Diamond Jubilee inauguration function included unveiling of a new bronze statue of Sir Vishveshwarya, beautification of landscaping promenade from main gate to the administrative building, Chandrama Plaza, which is a popular joint for hostel students with a new look by maintaining its original flavor, and also football ground. The year-long celebration of Diamond Jubilee has witnessed various academic, social, entrepreneurial and outreach events which has enhanced the joy of learning and vigor for technical aptitude. The institute has developed number of technologies for the improvement of quality and productivity of the ruler-based activities, such as mosquito repellent coil manufacturing machine, ruler blacksmith furnace, biodiesel reactor, modified double roller gin. Outreach activity are an important and valued aspect of every VNITian's responsibility and are an integral part of the VNIT's mission. VNIT donated 3 machines developed by its director Professor P.M. Padore to help the rural women to generate resources and self-employment. This project was sponsored by Khadi and Village Industry Commission, also known as KVIC, a statutory body formed by the Government of India. Thank you all for joining us.